Okay. Let's see how this will go today. Doing whatever. Let me see here. Okay. So, what are we doing today? Yeah, I don't really know what we're doing today. I haven't really thought about it. I'm just excited for the new PC. Now, technically, right, if we're really being like specific here, okay, technically the PC could be here in 6 days. At its longest, it'll be here in like 20 days. So there's a really big range of 6 to 20 days in which it'll be here. So it's the actual like PC tower. It comes with a mouse and a keyboard. I'm going to keep using this mouse and this keyboard for this PC that I'm on right now that you're seeing me from. I need to order two more things though. I already ordered monitors. I need to order a microphone and a webcam. I'm gonna do a little bit of like looking into webcams and whatnot, but we'll get it figured out for sure. Yeah, two monitors. Hold on. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Probably not very much, but I did what most people do. I got one that's kind of flat, normal, basically just a little TV, and then I bought one that's more fancy. It's curved, and so OBS when I'm on right here, or Discord would be the flat screen, and then the game would be the curved. That sort of that sort of relationship with the screens. I also ordered Great Southern Trendkill on vinyl. And if you know metal, you know the record. If you don't, you don't. That's fine. Um, but I'm gonna order everything I need. I'm gonna have a bunch of boxes. I'm gonna have at least 5 boxes, cause 2 monitors, the computer itself, and then microphone, webcam. If I don't order anything else, and we're gonna get them all together, and we're gonna get Wars on the stream, and also preferably Emma, and we are going to set up the PC. Now it's built. It's already built. I'm not. I know a little bit about PCs, but not really enough to build one. So I just ordered one, and for me that will work just fine. This PC kind of does its thing, but I really need an actual like PC, not just a laptop. So that's what I did. Um, Plus I stream. I have the really thick Wi-Fi now, and I got really thick Ethernet cables, and um, just decided to just go in and do it because everything all put together, all of the stuff I'm buying is only gonna be like maybe $1,200 total, which really isn't bad. Like genuinely, really isn't that bad for me. I'm not buying everything at once. I'm buying it staggered. Like I ordered the PC like a week or two ago, and that's staggered payments. And then I ordered the monitors this weekend. I ordered like the Ethernet and a big surge protector, double lane, and all that crap. That was a week before. But and if you're wondering, I woke up at like 8:30. It's a little early for me. But I told myself I was going to get up and stream. Even if the stream doesn't last long, I told myself I was going to stream a bit earlier in the day for once. So that's what I'm doing. I know that a lot of the people that would normally be here, Emma, Warzel, Cav, are probably busy. Warzel's probably at work, Emma's probably at school, and Cav is probably at school. But I'm just live to prove to myself that I can do it the night after I do my closing shifts and my workouts. Because, for reference, I signed into the gym last night at about 1 in the morning and got out at about 2. Then I came home and slept. And I got out of the gym only about 7 hours ago. And I came home, slept. I'm going to be taking a shower after this. And before I go to work, yeah, Warsel just texted back saying, I'm at work, dog. Let's find out what time he gets out. I figured he was at work Monday morning. I'm not going to discuss where he works, but it's just a normal place that operates normal hours. Now, so does mine. And I'll be honest, I work at the McDonald's. I used to work at Burger King. I work at my McDonald's. See, the Burger King I worked at was in the next town over where I used to live. If you go watch any stream before Christmas of 2022, any stream of Christmas of 22, I believe, or any stream pre-Christmas 22, I'm in the old house next to the Burger King. Now we moved one town over, 15 minutes, maybe 20 at the most. And what was I gonna say? And then I was 20 minutes from my workplace. So I put up with that for a while. I dealt, it wasn't really that bad. And then I realized that I could try the McDonald's in my town, the one after the move. Because on the door, me and Emma would eat there, quite often. Me and Warzel never went, but next time he comes, we're eating there, I don't know if he'll ever see this, but we're eating there, Warzel. We're eating at the McDonald's here. Because they actually, they do some pretty hot shit, you know what I'm saying? They make good food. But anywho. So I decided to try, because their door said, like, offering all shifts competitive pay, which means they pay, like, a little higher than usual, and they do. I'm not going to get into specifics, but they do pay more than my old job. You might say, why are you taking it so seriously? It's not even a real job. Well, if the government taxes it, it is a real job. Just because I'm not exploited like, some of our more blue collar buddies, it doesn't mean that it's not a real job. And that's, just where I stand on that. But so I decided to apply. And my last day at Burger King was the 18th of December this past year. And because of the fact that the general manager of McDonald's had just wasn't really there for the Christmas week, I actually got myself a bit of a Christmas break, which they were like really sorry for, and I was like, "Don't be sorry, I'm cool with this." You know, excuse me, I'm perfectly fine. Uh, relaxing, taking a week off. I'll be all right. And then I started January 3rd. A little bit of hiccups with the scheduling at first, but now I'm just working there 40 hours a week. So within only a few months, I've got my stuff figured out, and now I'm, making a bit more money and getting more hours. And I closed last night, I closed tonight, I closed Wednesday, and then I work Friday, Saturday. I have Tuesday, or no, I work Thursday, Friday. So it's always a good time. But yeah, I really don't have any plans for today. That's what I always say. If you are watching this on YouTube, I do appreciate you watching. Try to catch the streams live. That is the best way to interact with me. But if you are watching live or you're watching the YouTube thing, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, share, all of that stuff you do. Just do all that. You know what I'm saying? That helps out a ton. It takes like 4 seconds. It's really easy. Following on Twitch is free. Subscribing on YouTube is free. Um, you know, it helps out a lot. But yeah, I guess we should just get into something, huh? I'm thinking a video game. I'm thinking a video game. Holy crap. The Red Dead Discord is just crazy. I might actually leave it. Too many notifications. Okay. Let's not open that there. We gotta find some online ROMs. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay. See if BizHog wants to open. Yes. So, what games exactly does it work with? Okay, there's actually quite a bit. Holy crap, we can do like original PlayStation games. Do you think we could get like Driver? I wonder if we'll just find it. GTA 2? Oh my gosh. Mortal Kombat Trilogy. Yeah, I remember that one. Remember this like racing game? Might have been that Need for Speed. Probably not. There's Driver 2. I think we're just looking for good old Driver. Okay, so Driver, my dad really likes. He's really into Driver. There it is. Damn, that's a fat upload. I love when the time is going up. The time can't decide whether it wants to be like an hour or, you know, 20 minutes. But my dad played this game a lot, and it was cool. You did the opening thing, and the guy's like, okay, okay, okay. Like, I have no idea. This is lame. We should look up some driver gameplay. We should look up some driver gameplay. Look at that.
Hurry up and try new Little Caesars Crazy Puffs. They're 4 fun-sized puffs packed with cheese, pepperoni, and sauce at only $3.99.
God, we don't get too many ex-racing boys in here. Low-life rumble in Miami is there's a hunt on for a guy who can pump the gas. Big getaway, big job. Maybe even some kind of hit. Some hood by the name of Rufus is in the picture. We need a line on it. Coffee? Black, right? Guys upstairs were asking for you in person. Look, we need you to go under. But no one's gonna know except me. If I bring anyone else in, I'll let you know. I need your badge. Any questions?
no way this game is gonna work on the PC. Okay, okay, okay.
You the man. We gonna need you.
It's us. So listen, we want to use you on a bank job. No hassle. Should be real sleepy. You want in?
Alright. I don't know if this will even begin to work well. I have no idea, but we are gonna try. It's a bit heavier of a game. Excuse me, but damn it if I won't try. Why does this always change its size? What in the world? That's probably good. I don't know if this is gonna work good. This one. She's not feeling too hot. Yeah, come on, you can do it. You can do it. You got it. I don't know if we'll get it to work. Choose a platform. PlayStation. Dang. I don't think we'll get this one to load, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. You guys can't see it, but it's like doing that thing where it grays out and it's like, oh, you know, uh, not responding. I tried. I tried. Different room over here. I thought so. I didn't know. Nice, nice. Oh shit. I lost my Yoshi at the last second. Damn, boy. I have so many little mushrooms. Oh, you Oh, hell no. Ah. Oops. Oh my god. Hmm. Fuck you, bitch. We can finally do the Cape Feather. Give me that motherfucker. Fuck me. Oh my gosh, dude. Whoops. And Raymond just died like a mofo. Dude, I'm folding in Donut Land. Folding in Donut Land. Dude, oh my gosh, this has been the worst 2 minutes of my entire life. Thank you. Oh, that was cool. That was cool. Cool stuff, yo. Oops, I clicked off. What? Get the fuck out of town. Fucker. "11 exit speedrunners are like, what the fuck is this level?" Dude, I am playing like shit. I usually do on stream. Oh, that pipe just got gouged. The bats pissed me off a little. Oh, damn it. So bad, so bad, so bad. Holy crap. Cool. Oh yeah, okay. Taco Bell. Diarrhea. What the fuck? Badoo. What? Dojo. Monk. Monastery. China. Energy. Lunatic. What in the world? We're gonna get a fairy. A fairy. No. Holy crap. Oh, but that isn't a first discovery. Super Buddha. Oh my god. Mug Chrissy. Mud. Muse, huh? Hmm. There's so many. Yeah. Kind of want burgers, like air fried burgers. You know, I really wouldn't mind doing, and this could be something we do on stream. I wouldn't mind relearning how to code again, cause I learned a bit at college, but I didn't really like being at college, so I left. And I haven't coded for like a long time, and I watch like Doug and like you know what I mean. He also 580 items. That's not anything. He codes all the time. I wouldn't mind doing something like that. coding to mess with the stream or something and do fun stuff. We're gonna get some food figured out, damn it. I believe I still have my Python. Yeah, I still have my Python. It's 310, 64-bit. Oh, whoops. Is there a dark mode? Excuse me. Okay, let's just mess around with the thing. Oh, I see. I have to make a new one. New file. I forgot. So I don't remember like any of this. So this will run. So we have to establish that x equals 5. I don't remember any of this. We're gonna try out. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see what happens. X equals x plus x. This is not gonna work. This is not going to work. It's gonna be like, there are multiple errors in your code. Fix it, dumbass. We're just gonna save it as infinite. Nope. Nothing. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to print x. And then while x is more than 0. I don't remember any of this at all. Whoops. Okay. I don't remember this shit. Whoops. Goodness gracious, I don't remember anything. You know, I do have other Python files, I think. Yeah, hold on. I have my loops from college. Okay, so let me use a little bit of a cheat code here. Oh, while needs to not be capitalized. Is that exponentation? Be pretty fucking awesome. Oh, I thought for a second, I thought we had it. Oh, fuck. There's so many things that I just don't remember. I feel like a goober. This is... exceeds the limit 4300 for integer string conversion. Use system set integer max str digits. So that next number... No way. Okay, let me try doing this. Let me see if this makes it actually able to run for more than like a minute. Holy crap. That got big quick. Okay, so we want to make it go on for a long time. So we're just literally going to add 1 to it. Okay, there we go. And if you guys are wondering how to stop it, you just Control Z, Control Z. Great, I broke it. No. I can see the Z's getting typed. Well, I guess we just let that run in the background. Can I run it again? Okay, so if I just do okay, we can remedy this for now. Okay. I thought Control Z allowed you to kill the code. We should probably pull up ChatGPT. It's good with code, apparently. I was asking it questions. How to stop running Python code. Oh, Control C? I thought it was Z. Okay, let's see. If you're running Python code in an interactive shell like idle or IPython, I'm running idle. You can usually stop the execution by pressing Control C. Hold down the control. Oh, it's control. Okay. Let's try that. Let's run my infinite code again and let's try it. Yep. All right, that's a kill. That's like a kill keyboard interrupt basically. You know, it just tells the code stop running. I don't care where you are. Line 4. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's open a new one. I want to make a calculator, but we need to start small. So we need to save, let's just do non-caps. Number 1. Wonder if that will work. Number 1 equals input registering from standard input, so we'll do that. What is your number? Oh shit. Print number 1. Calc. Shit. Yeah, look, I already tried making a fucking calculator. What is your number? 5. 5. Cool. So we'll save this. We'll move it down. Or not tab, down. I'm sorry. Relax. We should be proper. What is your second number? Oh my god. Now some of you might be looking at this and being like, wow, you know nothing, dude. Yeah. Gotta learn somehow, though. You know, there's a lot of, like, YouTube videos. These, like, 12-hour Python courses. And I've thought about getting back into Python. But, I mean, it's only 10:30 right now, and I have, like, 4 more hours till I gotta go to work. So, I'm not probably gonna be live for 4 more hours. But, I wanted to just do some coding. I believe you separate it with a comma. See if it'll work. 5. Okay. So, you know, a lot of syntax error, really. Like, mentally, I know what I'm supposed to be doing, but yeah. Plus, with stuff like R and all that, you know, stuff with coding isn't, like, too stupidly unsimilar or different. But Python is the one that I see being, you know, kind of talked about the most. Maybe it's not the most liked or most disliked, but it's definitely talked about. Mom's making cheeseburgers. How long does McDonald's mayo last? I don't know. We have mayo. In my house, I can just use the mayo. Alright. So now we need something that adds them together. So we need, actually let's put this up top. You always want your variables separate from your code, I believe. Number 4. Number 3 equals number 1 plus number 2. Print. What should we say? Your third number? Your third number is number 3. And I want to capitalize the Y. That's not what I meant. That is not what I meant at all. So I think I need to make them strings. So would it be, it can't be that, right? I don't think that's what I'm supposed to do. Python said it's cool, but I didn't run the code yet. So now, I don't know. No. Let's ask ChatGPT. How to get Python idle to add 2 numbers. Sum. Oh, sum. Okay. The sum of number 1 and this number 2 is sum. So I think my problem is the spacing. Like literally, I think it's just the spacing. I don't know if the actual word sum needs to be used. Let's try. No. Excuse me. Okay, let's make sure there's spaces between it's not quite what I want it to do. Maybe they should not be a string. Whoops. $56 and 6 should be 62. Oh, whoops. mean, let's just literally try this. How did I do? I don't remember how to make it a comment. I don't remember how to make it a comment. Okay. Boom. Okay. So now let's do that. Let's see if that runs. Why? Could this do anything? String, huh? Numbers don't add correctly. Int. Int can also be something. Oh, okay, because it's inputs from me, it needs to be int. Int input, double parentheses. Oops. Oh. Let's try that again. Yes. Okay. A little bit of help from GPT, but we got it. We added numbers. Okay. So that means the same thing should work for subtracting numbers. Let's try that. I don't know if sum will work for minus. 6, 1. Aha. Sweet. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. And that also should work for multiplying. Yep. And then dividing would be a slash, I think. 9, 3. 3. Okay, 3.0. So, okay, so it would print 3 if I made it like a string, but I'm okay printing 3.0. That's fine. So yeah, that's really basic, you know, stuff like that. So what we ought to do is make a thing where you input two numbers, you pick the operation, and then it'll do that for you. So you can, you know, input 7, no, you can input like 20 and 10. You can add them, subtract them, multiply, divide, whatever you'd like to do. We should try to do that. So we're going to keep all this, but we're going to make it comments. Oh, oops. I don't want to delete that. Oh, boy. No. Thank goodness for the undo button. Okay. So, we can take these. So, we need to allow the user to pick what they're going to do. Now, I'm going to run to the bathroom. I probably won't be up very long past that because the food's being made. But I will be right back. We're going to take a brief intermission. And then I'm going to get back to coding because it's kind of just, it's fun. So, because like, I learned it in college and I was able to do it, but I never really enjoyed it. But maybe now I'll enjoy it a little bit. Hey, maybe we could actually do something cool with it instead of just basic fucking third grade calculations. So I'll be right back, guys. Whoa, almost pull my switch down. Holy. Alright, y'all, we got some gimpy ass little cheeseburgers. Why'd y'all put cheese on my cheeseburger? Shut your bitch ass up. And while we eat, we're gonna watch something together. I don't know what, but I'm gonna eat these burgers, motherfucker. What in the world? Python. Coding. Look at this. Look at this. 12 hours. I mean, coding is so tough. We'll try this video. We'll see if this video is any good. Go subscribe to Tech with Tim. 1.46 million. He's getting there. Maybe he can make something of this. Oh shit! I sound like I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Tech with Tim. My shit's laggy. Yeah. My shit's laggy. Holy shit.
If you're interested in becoming a developer that
Dude, it's
writes any
so
type of
laggy. I think Python needs to be
code in
closed.
Python, then you need to understand these 5 very important Python concepts. These are what I see most beginner and intermediate Python programmers making a ton of mistakes with and misunderstanding when they're reading through production code. The goal of this video is to make sure that when you're reading through production Python code, you understand what's happening, you know the concept, and then you can reproduce that code and write your own pull requests and own features using
It's laggy.
Python
I'm
code that
sorry.
other developers will understand and expect. So with that said, let's get into the video after I share with you the first very important concept you need to understand, which is the sponsor of this video. NordPass. NordPass is the ultimate So the first concept to go over here is mutable versus immutable
Oh my god. I cannot put up with this.
types. Now this is the concept that most beginner and intermediate programmers make mistakes with. Don't worry if you already understand it, there's a lot more complicated concepts, so stick around for the rest of the video. Regardless, an immutable type is something that cannot change. A mutable type is something that can change. An example of these in Python is the following. So immutable types are going to be our string, our int, our float, our boolean, our bytes type, and our tuple type. All of these are immutable, meaning once you define this, you cannot change it. However, we have mutable types in Python, which are the list, the set, and the dictionary, and pretty much any other type used from some third-party library or module. These can change, which means once you define them, you can actually modify them. Let me give you a super quick example here of immutable versus mutable, then we'll go into a more complex one using a function, which is where I see most beginners make a mistake. Okay, so let's say we have some number like x equals 1, and we say y is equal to x. And in fact, let's change this to a tuple, which remember is immutable, meaning we cannot change it. Actually, to quickly show this to you, let's try to do something like x0 is equal to 1, where we're trying to change this tuple without reassigning something to this variable. So if I go here and run my code, notice I get an error, and it says the tuple object does not support item assignment. Now the reason it doesn't support that is because this is immutable. That means that once I define this tuple, I cannot change it. Now if we go here and do something like y equals x, and let's come and say x is equal to 1, 2, 3, I just want to show you if I print out both x and y here, that my change to x here after assigning x to y did not affect y. The reason for that is whenever you're using immutable types, when you do an assignment to another variable, so I do something like y equals x, it makes a copy, so an actual real copy of this immutable object. Meaning that if I now go something like x is equal to 1, 2, 3, that's not going to affect y, because I'm not modifying what y is storing, I'm just reassigning a new value to x. I know that seems trivial, but the reason I'm illustrating this to you is because this works differently when we change this to a list. So if I change this to a list now, and then I come and do something like x0 is equal to 100, You might think that y is not going to change, but when I run this, you see that both x and y have the same value. Now the reason for that is when you're using mutable types and you do something like y equals x here, so you're assigning a variable to another variable, and this variable is storing a mutable type, what happens is you actually store a reference or an alias to this same object. Meaning that if I make a change to the object, like I'm doing right here, it changes for both of these variables because they're actually storing the same object. In fact, they're storing a reference to the same object, so again, if you change the underlying object, then it changes for both x and y. That's the difference between immutable and mutable types. Now let me just paste in a quick example here that will illustrate this even a little bit further. So you can see in this example we have a function that returns the largest numbers, it returns the n largest numbers actually. What it does is it sorts the list of numbers that it accepts. So what I've done down here is I've created a list of numbers, I printed out what the value of the list was before I called the function, and then I printed out what the value was afterwards. Now take a guess if you want at what you think the output's going to be, but I'll go ahead and run the code. And you can see here that we actually get the list before that's unsorted, and then the list becomes sorted afterwards. Now the reason this occurs is because what happens is when we call this function, we pass this nums list as the parameter numbers. Now since we're passing a mutable object, a list is mutable, when we do a numbers.sort, what this does is actually sort the list in place. Now numbers here is going to be storing a reference to this same list. So when I sort the numbers parameter here, since I have passed in my numbers array, it ends up sorting that numbers array that's down here. Seems a little bit strange, but the reason this is occurring is again because we're using a mutable object. So the point here is that you need to understand when you're using mutable versus immutable objects, because you can have functions like this that can perform side effects on your mutable objects. This is referred to as a side effect because what happens is one of the parameters is being mutated or modified.
Excuse me. Okay, this one's up. Oh god, that blue was so bad looking. Okay. Now, where were we? Can I get Python down here? Yes, I can. So we want it over here, file, open. Holy crap. We want calc. Whoops. Alright. I doubt this will work, but we're gonna try. Invalid syntax. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Okay. 5, A. Name A is not defined. We could do it with numbers. Whatever. I don't know if that's spelled right. Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. Whoops. I meant some. Okay, perfect. I don't think I need double equals anymore, do I? I might, we'll see. Oh my gosh. It actually is double equals. Oh, whoops. I'm breaking things. Oh my gosh. I cannot type today. Okay. Oops. Two. have a divide symbol on my keyboard. I have a percent symbol. We probably should, like, ask again. We could be like, would you like to do another calculation? Okay. I have to figure out how to get letters to work with it too. And then we just do if again equal 1. And then is there a way to like restart code? Python code that restarts the entire code. I don't know if that made sense. Okay. Okay. I wonder if we could not really do that, but sort of put everything into a loop. I wonder. We could try importing the two things. And then and we'll need to make a function. Def restart. I think this will work? I don't know. We're gonna find out. And then just... Oh, we have else. Do I do it here? Else. I guess just exit. I mean, I suppose that makes sense. I don't know if this will all work. Else, okay, holy shit, 20, 10, okay, I mean, it restarted the shell, but it didn't restart my, like this one here. It was close. It was definitely close. I need to call the function. Oh, I did. Yeah, okay. What if this is all one big function, you know? Def, calc. We can get rid of this. Calc. How do I tell it when the function is over? Do I just put a line? I don't think this will work the way I want it to. Line 16. Oh, I gotta indent. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Name again is not defined. Yeah, the fuck it is. I think this needs to be separate from the function. I don't know, because then I can't run it more than twice, I don't think. Let's... Oh, shit. Okay, so calc needs to be above it. Okay, so what I thought was right. It would repeat once, and that's it. I think... Oh, shit. I think it just needs one indent, though. So it's out of the if function. Whoops, I keep fucking shit up. Hey, watch out. What? Oh yeah, shit, sorry. So... Oops. Hold on a second. I wonder why it's not working. Let's try telling it no. Okay, so again needs to be defined as 0, I think. Well, I don't know. So we don't need this anymore. I don't know why it says again isn't like saved as a variable. It should be. Line 32. really know what I'm doing wrong. Got it. It all needs to be inside of the function. That's all it was. That's it. That's it. That's all it is. That's all I did. That's all I was doing wrong. That's it. I was like, the code is correct. It does the thing, but doesn't do it enough. Why? It's not in a loop. Loop. That's not, you know, that's why. Cool. I'm happy I figured that one out because I was getting a little worried. They're like, well, look at all this crap. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. So, I wonder what is good Python practice for beginners? That's probably not useful. Functions are like one of my favorite things. Window. It's windy out there, so my windows are going crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I feel like I could keep streaming, and I've been live for 2 hours. I mean, I know that no one's been here, but it's been a pretty solid stream. I mean, nothing's really gone wrong yet. Stuff is just kind of stuff's just kind of okay. So I don't know. I'm trying to like think of like what we could do with Python. Like logically, you should just go to the next thing. But gosh, it's been so long, that I wanted to try something real quick though. Can I just call a function? Oh my god. Yeah, I can. Okay. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. So we need to figure out what we could do here. I don't know. I don't know what would be a cool thing to try to code with the limited skills I have. I don't know. I used to have like turtle code. I don't know if I still have it. Python. Okay, give me a sec. Let me look for my turtle code if I still have it. may have just deleted it. That sucks. So can I still call? Yes, I can. Oh, whatever. Alright, I think I'm gonna get off for today. It's been a good like 2.5 hours, and I'll see you guys later.